Welcome to TAV Moyle Public School E-Class Standard 9th Information Technology Code 402. Topic Unit 1, that is Introduction to IT and IT's Industry, and today's subtopic is Introduction to IT. Information and Communication Technology, that is ICT, has become one of the basic requirements of the modern society. In today's digital world, we use mobile devices to perform the tasks of our daily life. For example, various types of e-payments, applications, etc. Information technology, that is IT, is one of the world's fastest growing economic activities, which involves easier flow of information at various levels in the desired pattern, such as electronic business sites. E-commerce solutions allows us to use their services at any place and any time. Hence, it is very difficult to think of any event without the use of digital devices. The information technology enabled services, that is IT sector, has not only changed the way the world looks at our country, but has also made significant contributions to the Indian economy, because we are offering multiple IT services and solutions to the world. This lesson will introduce the basic concepts and ideas related to information technology and IT enabled services. Information technology. Information technology means creating, managing, storing and exchanging information. That is, the creation, management, storage and exchange of information is involved in information technology. Information technology includes all types of technology used to deal with information, such as computer hardware and software technology used for creating, storing and transferring information. The computer takes data as an input, processes it and produces the results as an output. As you can see in the given picture, user is giving raw data as an input to the system or computer. The computer or system is processing the input and converting it as an output in the form of information. So it is very clear from the picture that user is providing raw data as an input to the system or computer, where it is being processed and converted into an output in the form of information. For example, if we are giving 2 plus 3 as an input to the system will make the addition of 2 with 3 and gives 5 as an input to us. So, we can define data as data refers to the facts or raw material which are processed to get the information, whereas information can be termed as the result of data processing. Computer takes data as an input, processes it and produces the results as an output. Let's take one example, that is, the number of boys and girls in a class is a factual data of the classroom. This is an example of data related to the students in the class. Some conclusion can be drawn based on the given data. we can have different conclusions based on the given data. For example, the ratio of boys and girls, or the percentage of boys and the percentage of girls in the class, or the result of any subject by converting the raw data into information. Let's take another example. If a birth date for a person has been given, one can easily calculate the age of that person. Birth date is data and age is information obtained by processing the data. The decisions are taken on the basis of data and information. IT is a tightly integrated part of business. Computers and information systems are an essential part of every business today, since every business is getting digitalized nowadays. Like accounting and legal, every business needs to invest in technology to compete. IT has several benefits for a business, such as it helps in reaching more potential customers, developing a business relationship with potential customers, and streamlining various business related operations. Information technology is useful for reducing the cost, since you can order anything at your doorstep at a single click. It also improves the efficiency and maximizing profit, minimizing waste, providing better service to the customer, supporting better relationships with key partners, and allowing customers to better guide the business. In next session, we will discuss about the information technology enabled services. Till then, thank you and take care.